Might be shit. Is this recording? Good. When I think it's rank, then you're gonna listen to some shit. This is to put a fucking end to the fucking assholes who are putting a bunch of videos of themselves acting like they could fucking pull off a fucking air raid siren. They can't, because this is not an air raid siren. This is the air raid siren. I pronounced it right the second time. Check this shit out. I'm gonna try it clean, without a fucking microphone, without fucking bullshit. Look at this face. Realize that I'm fucking... Don't realize a goddamn thing. You're too stupid to realize shit. I'm not even gonna pretend you're gonna realize what the fuck I am trying to explain to you. Fuck you. Guess the fuck what? Okay, you've heard it all before. Listen to this shit. Air raid siren. I'm gonna try from low. Try from this note. You hear this note? Oh, it's gonna be a lower one. It's gonna be this one. Oh, that's the one I'm starting from. Let's give this shit a try. Oh. Oh, that's a fucking note right there. Hold on. Oh. It's fucked up. Oh, we'll just keep that for the fun of it.